My name is Randy Collins, and I'm the managing lawyer at Getz Collins & Associates. We practice a wide variety of different areas of law. We practice employment, family, litigation, wills and estates, real estate, business law, and criminal law. As the managing lawyer, I oversee every area of law that's practiced in the firm, but for myself, I primarily practice in the area of employment law and civil litigation. The reason I love that area of law is because working with employers, we're able to tailor employment agreements and assist them with employment complexities that may end up seeing their entire business go under if they don't do it properly. On the employee side, we get to see people in their most vulnerable moments. Losing your job is one of the most difficult things a person can go through. It impacts their dignity, their self-worth, their stability, their family, and being able to help them navigate through those situations is an amazing feeling. I think what makes us stand apart from other firms is that we give practical advice. We don't just give advice from a legal standpoint. We also give advice as to what would be best for the individual in their particular circumstances. And we lead that way. Although we're not afraid to go into court, and we will absolutely do so, we want to make sure that the end result is what's best for that individual client. One of the things that makes our firm so special is we've been in the Strathmore community for almost 40 years. We've seen generations of families come through our doors and continue to use us year over year. I believe the reason that these families continue to come back is the trust that we've developed over those years. They know every time that they come to our firm, they're going to get knowledgeable, practical advice that are going to help them through those particular needs. We know that communication is one of the most important things in the relationship between a client and a lawyer. It establishes that trust and that understanding that you're taken care of through your legal problems. We strive to make sure that our clients know what's going on at every point and have some points of contact throughout the entire firm, not just one person. We work as a team to make sure you feel like you're taken care of. Getz Collins & Associates has been a staple in the Strathmore community for almost 40 years. It was started by John Getz in the 1980s and has continued to provide legal services ever since. One of the benefits to working with our firm is that we do continue to have that small town value where we work one-on-one with our clients. We get to know them. We get to understand their individual circumstances and problems. Over the last 40 years, we've grown substantially. With our 2 locations, we're able to provide the small town feel while also getting to access top-of-the-line software, top-of-the-line talent. We've engaged in extensive training of all of our individuals and work as a team to make sure that we are providing the best legal expertise in the industry. We know how important it is for a client to feel heard and understood. So during the intake process, we go above and beyond to make sure that when we match a client with a lawyer, that we do so making sure that that client's individual needs and wants are being taken care of. During your initial consultation, you'll meet with one of our legal experts. They'll go through your case, the complexities of it, and help walk you through each step along the way, and also give you recommendations as the best way to move forward.